Hey there, Greg over DIY RV and Home and Camper's Life. Yes, I'm driving the truck and making a video at the same time. But I am actually in La Posa South right now. So I'm driving in. I'm not on a highway or a street, anything like that. But I do have some traffic. I'm watching those guys. But we're doing all of under 15 miles an hour. So please forgive me. Anyways, we just did a thing. Yeah. No, we didn't go buy another trailer. No, we already took care of that this year. You know, one trailer a year is enough. Well, hopefully it's going to be one trailer for several years now. Or fiscal, whatever you want to call it. But I just wanted to say we did do a thing. And so I'm going to spin the camera around and show you what I did. Or what we did. Here we go. Well, check it out. We have a new member of the family. Please don't ask us what we've named her yet. She hasn't picked her name yet. But what kind of hot dog is she again, honey?
She's, Mom was a Min Pin. We don't know what Dad was.
Okay, so she's a Min Pin mix. Very, very calm, sweet female. We haven't even heard her bark yet. Oops. I'm sorry, I'm trying to drive, so if the camera keeps, bouncing around or going somewhere, that's my fault. Blame it on somebody trying to drive and video. Again, look, see, we're in La Posa South. We're on the BLM road, so it's not bad. Anyways, we'll come back and we'll let you know what what she has decided her name's going to be. Put it this way, we've always let our pets kind of decide their name. So, anyways, folks, new member of the family, beautiful little girl. Till the next time, happy camping.